One challenge with automation is letting people experiment, play in a secure environment where they know they can do no harm, where they know that nobody else can see the idiotic types of mistakes that they might be making. With Cortex, we have every developer has a sandbox environment where they can make changes, they can create automation to their heart's content without that being visible to anybody else. They can save it at any point in time, they can recover it at any point in time, but until they commit those changes to the master flow repository, those changes are private to them. And I think that gives them a sense of freedom to be able to experiment and make mistakes and improve before they expose their creativity to the rest of the organization, if you like. So the sandbox also provides them with a runtime environment where they can run their automation flows totally independent of a production environment. So they know they're not going to affect production operations, but it can be integrated with live data if that's available, and they can validate that the automation that they've defined is working as they expect it to work. We have a fully featured debugger for them to use, so they can inspect at any point in time the process of the automation, the variables that the data that they're storing, all those sorts of things, that means that they can confirm that the automation is working to their requirements before they commit that for other people to be able to use.